Hey fam, if you're hunting for a massive screen laptop that can basically replace your desktop, this might be the one to watch. I dug deep into the specs and real user feedback across the internet, and what I found is honestly interesting. If you want to see the current deal or details, hit the link in bio while you watch this. The model we're talking about is the HP 17-inch laptop touchscreen computer, packing a huge 17.3-inch touchscreen, Intel 10-core i7 processor, 64GB RAM, and a massive 2TB SSD. On paper, those specs sound extremely powerful, especially for productivity, business tasks, and heavy multitasking workloads. One of the biggest strengths is clearly performance for everyday professional use. The Intel Core i7-1355U class processors used in many of these configurations can boost up to around 5 GHz and handle multiple applications smoothly, especially when paired with 64GB RAM. That means spreadsheets, browsing with dozens of tabs, office software, and even light creative tasks should run comfortably. Storage is another highlight. A 2TB SSD gives you fast boot times and plenty of room for files, media, and projects without worrying about space anytime soon. Combined with Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, fingerprint reader security, and a full-size backlit keyboard with number pad, it's clearly designed for business users or anyone needing a productivity-focused machine. The large 17.3-inch touchscreen is a major selling point. If you work with documents, accounting software, or multitasking windows side by side, the extra screen space can significantly improve comfort compared to smaller laptops. For people who prefer a desktop-like experience but still want portability, this size category makes sense. However, portability isn't its strength. Laptops in this class typically weigh over 4.5 pounds and are bulky to carry daily. Battery life is also usually average at best for large screen models, meaning you'll probably stay near a charger if you're working long sessions away from home. Now let's talk honestly about the weaknesses. The biggest criticism I found is the display resolution. Many versions use HD plus 1600x900 panels instead of full HD, which on a 17-inch screen looks noticeably less sharp. Some users also mention plastic build quality and integrated graphics limitations, so this is not ideal for gaming or heavy video editing. So is it worth buying? If you want a big screen, huge memory, tons of storage, and strong productivity performance for business or home office work, then yes, it can be a solid value. But if display quality, portability, or graphics power matter to you, there are better options at similar prices. Click the link below for the best price.